Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Anti-Social Social Club. That was a collaborate with the Undefeated and F1. This one's the umbrella. Retail price on this was like $60. So I ordered another 2 items with this. So when I check on my order, it says partial fill. It's not fulfilled yet, so that means I'm not sure why they did not send my other 2 items. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this and then show you guys what's the umbrella look like. So let's go and then do this. Wow. Yeah, this one's pretty big. At first I thought it was a small one. Come with this nice black cover with a handle that you could carry around. So you got this nice handle right here. And this is a push button style. Let me Velcro this. Let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. Wow, look at that. So this is what it looks like on the inner side. Wow, I think this is like a carbon fiber. That means it's going to be very, very strong. Let me turn on the lights. You see that? So you have the Anti-Social Social Club with the Undefeated logo right here. And then you got the F1 with the trademark. And then there's this logo right here. And then Anti-Social Social Club, Undefeated. And then it just repeats itself. So this is a panel umbrella. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.